In my sessions, I always like to maximize the window just so there aren't extra things showing on the screen for the child and it's as big as possible. And this is regardless of what platform you're using. Right now, I'm in Zoom. So our first activity is our book. So I'm going to just click on this to make it full screen. And then when we're done reading the book, I'm going to take it off of the full screen mode and then go to our next activity, which is our YouTube video. Make that full screen so this is all you see.
Little baby bum.
And then when we're done, take that off of full screen. And then last is our Boom card activity. Now there is nothing built into Boom to make this full screen, but I'm going to click on my browser just to maximize the window. So it covers the whole screen. If you wanted to hide your menu or toolbar, you could do that. So we are all ready to go for our third activity. And then once we finish it, I'm going to take that off of the maximize option as well. That's just something to make it nice and clean so there aren't extraneous things on the screen showing for your client.